Let's learn English through short asking for direction and telling the way conversation, with vocabulary and listening questions. Looking for the checkout.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, what can I do for you?
I need to find the checkout counter. I keep walking in circles. Where is it?
Oh, you're not far at all. Just go straight down aisle 5. Turn left and it will be right in front of you.
Oh my, that's easy. But what aisle am I? Sorry, I'm so lost.
The aisle we are at right now is aisle 4. The one with all the snacks is aisle 5. Don't worry, many customers get lost often. We are a pretty huge mall.
Oh, thank you so much. How convenient. I am going to grab some snacks as well.
Haha, you are welcome. After the snacks, just take the first left.
Take the first left, got it, and then.
Keep walking straight and you'll see the self-checkout machines on your right.
That sounds easy enough. Thank you for your help.
Yes, you'll see a sign that says checkout right above the machines. You can't miss it.
Oh, perfect. Thanks again. Have a nice day.
Haha, no problem. Happy shopping.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Straight. Moving forward without turning. Aisle. A passage between rows of items in a store. Self-checkout. A machine where you scan and pay for your items. Your listening question is: what does the customer need to find in the supermarket? Answer: the customer needs to find the checkout counter. Where's the bakery?
Excuse me, dear. Can you help an old lady?
Of course, ma'am. What do you need?
I'm looking for the bakery. Do you know how to get there? Its name is Fluffy Bakery. It's my favorite, but I cannot remember the way clearly.
Oh, I know that bakery. Don't worry, ma'am. It's not your fault. They have just moved to another block.
My, I have no idea. Thanks, sweetie. I will head home now.
Oh, they did not move too far. It's just a few steps away. All you need to do is go straight down this street.
Go straight. How far is it?
Not far at all. After the big tree, turn left at the corner.
Turn left at the tree, though. I can see the tree.
Yes, then keep going straight. The bakery will be on your right.
On the right? Oh dear. I hope I don't miss it.
Don't worry. It's right next to the coffee shop. You can't miss it.
Aha! Next to the coffee shop. That's easy to remember.
Yes, after the coffee shop, turn right and the bakery will be right there.
Oh, Perfect. I knew I could count on you, dear.
It was my pleasure, Mum. Enjoy your fresh bread.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Turn left. To change direction to the left. Turn right. To change direction to the right. Bakery. A place where bread, cakes, and pastries are made and sold. Your listening question is: what does the young woman tell the grandmother to do after the big tree? Answer: she tells the grandmother to turn left at the corner and keep going straight, then the bakery will be on the right. Finding the aquarium.
Excuse me, sir, can you help me? We're trying to find the aquarium, but I do not see any signs.
Oh, of course. You're almost there. It's in the lower level of the mall.
The lower level, do we need to go downstairs?
Yes, exactly. You'll need to go downstairs to get to the aquarium.
Alright, we can do that. Then what?
After you go downstairs, keep walking straight and you'll see a tunnel.
A tunnel, is it dark? My kid may get scared.
Ha ha ha. Don't worry. A lot of kids come here often. It will be quite crowded actually. Just go through the tunnel and you'll be in the aquarium area.
That sounds easy enough.
Yes, you'll see the entrance to the aquarium on your left. The sign is glowing. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much, sir, you are so nice.
No problem. Have fun at the aquarium with your little one.
Thank you, we're really excited.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Go downstairs. To move to a lower level of a building. Go through. To pass through a tunnel, door, or other space. Entrance. The way into a building or area. Your listening question is: what does the man tell the mother to do after going downstairs? Answer: he tells her to go straight and go through the tunnel, then the aquarium will be on the left. Directions to the City Museum.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me? I'm trying to find the City Museum.
Oh, welcome to our city. Let me show you the way. The museum is not far from here. Go straight down this road with me, and I'll tell you the rest.
You can just tell me the way. I do not want to waste your time. Is it far?
No worries, I have time. Plus, it's only about 5 minutes. See, we got here already. Do you see this big intersection?
Intersection. Is it the first one or the second one?
Haha, it's the second one. Turn left at the second intersection.
Okay, turn left at the second intersection. Got it. And then?
After you turn left, keep walking straight until you see a big building with a fountain.
Oh, a fountain. Is it the one on the poster I'm having here?
Yes, that's the one after the fountain. The museum is just across the street on your right.
Across the street. So easy. Thanks a lot, sir.
No problem. Enjoy the museum. It's one of the best places in the city.
I will, thanks again.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Intersection. A place where two or more roads meet. Fountain. A structure from which water flows, often found in parks or plazas. Across. From one side to the other. Your listening question is: what does the local tell the tourist to do after the second intersection? Answer. He tells him to turn left and keep walking straight until he sees the fountain. The museum will be across the street on the right. Looking for the computer room.
Hey, do you know how to get to the computer room?
Oh, right. The old computer room needs some repairs, so they have moved away. It's a bit tricky, but I can help. Pay attention, okay? First, go straight down this hallway.
Straight, okay, I can do that. Then what?
After that, you need to cross the courtyard and go to Building A.
Building A, that's the biggest building, right?
Yes. Now, when you reach Building A, go upstairs to the second floor.
Go upstairs to the second floor. Oh, that's easy. And then?
Once you're on the second floor, walk past the vending machine, and you'll see the door on your left.
So I just walk straight and turn left. That sounds simple enough.
Yup, exactly. The computer room is right there. You can't miss it.
Thanks. Let's see if I can get there.
No worries, you'll be fine. Feel free to ask other students around.
Noted. Thanks again.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Building. A structure with walls and a roof. Courtyard. An open space surrounded by buildings. Go upstairs. To move to a higher floor in a building. Your listening question is: what does the student need to do after going to Building A? Answer. She needs to go upstairs to the second floor, walk straight, and the computer room will be on the left. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.